Hey everyone, it's Jana Verbakel, Realtor in London, Ontario. As always, check us out online at londonsbest.ca. The London, Ontario market right now is very, very hot. A lot of properties are going into multiple offers or bidding wars, and the sale price ends up being a lot of times much higher than the original asking price. What I wanted to talk about was what are the risks of going into a situation like that with no financing condition. And a lot of people are doing that because they think that it increases their chances of getting the house, which it does, because a firm offer to a seller is always more attractive. But what are the risks to you as a purchaser? Now, what a lot of people don't realize is that when you have this financing condition, there's really two parts. The bank has to approve you as a purchaser. So this would be when you undertake your pre-approval. So how much money do you earn per year? What are your outstanding debts? And then looking at whether or not you can afford that house. Then that's part one. There are two parts to this equation, and a lot of people forget about the second part, which is that a bank will only loan you 80% of the appraised value. I'm going to say that again because it's very important. A bank will only loan you 80% of the appraised value of a property. What does this mean if you get into a bidding war with no financing condition and the house does not appraise for the sale price? What that means is that the bank will only lend you 80% of the appraised sale price. If you are very cash rich and you've got a huge nest egg sitting there and you can make up that deficiency with cash, no problem. It's not an issue whatsoever. If you are very tight on your down payment and you need to now pay an extra $10,000 or $15,000 or $20,000 deficiency in addition to your down payment, you can have very serious problems. You may not be able to close. You open yourself up to a ton of liability. So please, please, please discuss with your realtor, with your lender, with your financial advisor, whoever is involved in that financing piece. Make sure you understand the risks of going into an offer and removing that financing condition. And I'm going to say it again because it's so important. A bank will only loan you 80% of the appraised value of a property, not the sale price. Anyway, those are my thoughts for today. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those below. And as always, check us out at londonsbest.ca. Have a great day.